how to use Yelp's Nearby feature. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you looking for something quick and close by? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to use Yelp Nearby feature to instantly discover restaurants, cafes, and other spots just around the corner. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, make sure that your location services are enabled so Yelp can detect where you are. And now you can just tap on the nearby option which you will usually find on the home screen or right under the search bar. And Yelp will instantly show you places around your current location. And after that, you can scroll through the popular categories like restaurants, coffee, takeout, or even gas station, all sorted by how close they are to you. And here you can just tap on any listing to see photos, ratings, menus, and users' reviews. And you can even call or get direction right from the app. And if you want to narrow it down, you can simply use the filters by price, ratings, or show only businesses that are open now. And once you have found what you needed, you can just tap direction to navigate there or use the order button if online ordering is available. Yep, Nearby feature is the fastest way to find what you need right where you are, and give it a try and make your next outing easier. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.